Good day everyone. Today I am going to present about prevention method to stop weed seed spread through the machinery. How to machinery via spread weed seed. Farm machinery can spread weed seed in several ways. First, seed can strip to mud and soil attached to machine. Second, plant residues can carry seeds and remain on the equipment. Third, during harvesting, machine can collect and release weed seed into clean field. This makes machinery one of the main cause of the weed seed movement. Machinery involved in weed seed spread. Different types of machinery can spread weed seed, including tractors, combine harvesters, tillers, seed drills, planters, trailers and trucks. Since these machines move between fields, they can easily transfer weed seed if not cleaned properly. Prevention method of the weed seed spread. The first prevention method is to clean machinery before leaving the field. Important part to clean include tires, wheels, blade, harvesters and seed drills. This helps stop seed from the moving to the next field. The second method is removing soil, mud and plant residues. Because these materials often carry weed seeds, we can remove them by using brushes, scrapers, water or air blowers, especially in the hidden corners. Inspect machinery regularly. Regular inspection is also important. Farmers should check tire treads, grain tank, conveyors and engine compartment to identify any seed buildup and prevent an accidental spread. Use water or air pressure cleaning. Using higher pressure water or air cleaning is very effective because small weed seed can stay trapped in the narrow spaces. This method ensures the better cleaning. Importance of the preventing weed seed spread through the machinery. Preventing weed seed spread helps reduce weed infection, improve crop yield, lower production cost, reduce herbicide use and maintain farm hygiene and biosecurity. Thank you for your kind attention. I hope this presentation helped you understand the importance of the preventing weed seed spread through the machinery.